Hi, welcome everyone. Let's have a farm tour. So I'm going to show you some of my banana which I have planted over here. So we have several or different species. So let's get in. Welcome, karibuni. I want to show you the tallest bananas in Kenya or in Africa. Have a trip with me. Very tall, over 16 feet tall. It's another species. Here, as you can see, this one is ready. You can harvest it today or tomorrow as the orders continue to come. It's also ready for harvesting. So you're trying to improve the quality of the banana by providing mulching and also eliminating some of them which are weak and those which have already yielded, so that they can give space to the young ones to be stronger and healthier. So you need to remove some suckers so that the other which will remain will be healthy. This one is almost 20 something feet high. So we have a lot of hard times while harvesting them. You can see how healthy they are. You have another type. It's short and very sweet for cooking purposes. The rest you can cook, but you can eat them ripe as fruits. But for this type here, which is a little darker, it's used for cooking. Very sweet. In our language we call it keganda. It originated from Uganda. So that is keganda, very sweet. Not be able to have a feel of the whole shaba, at least it's a big stretch. Over there, there's several acres full of these bananas. So you can see we are trying to eliminate some so that they can give room to others. So at least two per hole. You can see the kind of mulching. So water is in plenty. Yeah, it is keganda. Short but sweet, or short and sweet, if you like it. So we have several which have already, we are almost maturing. We have some which are already matured. Like this one, just we're waiting for harvest. That's ready. Some are not that healthy, as you can see, which is normal. Here we have others. The tallest here they are. Tallest over 20 feet. As you can see, those are very, very tall. Yeah, another one is over 25 feet. Believe it or not, here it is. It's like a tree. Very, very tall. Very, very tall.